Previously, engineers and urban planners used a combination of travel projection and level of service to plan and design interstates and associated high-speed freeways, which combination of travel project and LS aimed to measure the capacity of the lane and how many cars will be held in this lane in the next 20 or 30 years. Congestion is a subjective feeling, and LS attempts to transform this subjective question into measurable figures. Here, let me explain what LS exactly means. LS is short of level of service, and it is a qualitative measure used to relate the quality of motor vehicle traffic service. It is a performance metric which flourished during the interstate and freeway building era that went from the 1950s to the 1990s. In the Highway Capacity Manual, an AASHTO geometric design of highways and streets, Green Book, using letters A through F, with A being the best and F being the worst, similar to academic grading. However, let's consider this. Would you use a rototiller to get rid of weeds in a flower bed? Of course not. You might solve your immediate goal of uprooting the weeds, but oh my, the collateral damage that you would do. Yet, when we try to eliminate congestion from our urban areas by using decades-old traffic engineering measures and models, you are essentially using a rototiller in a flower bed, and it is time to acknowledge that the collateral damage has been too great. What's wrong with this measurement? Since the cheap model estimates are biased, other roads which through the estimated construction are wider. This causes the driver would use excessive speed when they're driving on it. However, excessive use of highways will reduce the diversity of pedestrian traveling, walking, cycling, and taking a bus will not be treated equally. In this case, the disguised increase in the demand for the vehicle that has led people always driving even in a short distance. Worse yet, transportation professionals have overly widened roads, added lanes, limited crossroads, and that would generally leave a community's social fabric. So how can we improve this LS and limit this unfair situation? Changes are needed in order to create balanced standards for the road design. An excessive number of the level will make people have no actual feelings, and the 6th level will complicate this problem. We believe that the reduction of 6 levels to 4 levels, using A, B, C, and F, will make people more clearly feel the difference between each level. Increase the upper limit of A to 15 seconds and the lower limit of F to 75 seconds. The middle 16 seconds to 35 seconds are B level, and the 36 seconds to 74 seconds are C level. Even though the highway is excessively used inside of the city, we can set the speed limitation and changing the type of lane. Bicycle lane and bus lane would be the better way to instead of blank vehicle lanes. However, the city size and city center are totally different. Sometimes level C and F would not be the bad thing for people. More benefit of bicycle and bus will reduce the carbon dioxide and more predictable.